Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. If you're returning, how are you today? I just heard about this, and if you're not aware, hang on, I'm letting my dogs in. If you're not aware, the Brianna, with my accent, I say Breonna Taylor sculpture statue was smashed. And I have concerns over this. And it's not because of, what you may think, okay? It is because it's going to hit the fan once again. Why? Because BLM. It's okay for them to take down our statues. It's okay for them to deface our statues, of our historic statues. But I have a really bad feeling. Really bad feeling. What's going on in this country? Can anyone answer that question? I'm sorry this happened, Someone put a lot of time and energy and work into this art. But, I'm not going to get into details about who she was, what she was, what she was involved with. I'm not doing it. Okay? We all know. Okay? But it just goes to show, okay, that it's gonna happen. It's gonna hit the fan. Don't be surprised if we see chaos in our streets once again. Don't be surprised if the masses come out. Don't be surprised if there's looting once again. I think, and a lot of people are going to probably say, why did you just say that? Listen. This is my opinion and my opinion alone, okay? You can agree with me, you can disagree with me. I don't care. As soon as everyone on this planet realizes that there's only one race, the human race, this world is going to be a lot better. I don't care if you're black, white, Hispanic, Asian. I don't care. As long as you are nice to me and you show me respect, guess what you get in return? I don't care if you have a background. I don't care what happened to you in the past. I don't care what you've done in the past. As long as you have learned from your mistakes and you are a decent human being today, that's what matters. My father once said to me, your mistakes in your past do not define who you are today or who you are going to be in your future. And he's right. No one is perfect. And unless you can prove to me that you are 100% perfect, you know what I'm saying? I just, don't be surprised. All right? Because I just heard about this and I was like, oh boy. So listen, this is another reason why to prepare, because it's going to hit the fan once again. All right, I'm out of here. I gotta wait. Sean's gonna be home in an hour, and I'm cooking dinner and all. All right, I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive, keep preparing. Bye, guys. Good night.